Is this bitch record? Hello, here we go, hello, here we go, hello, hello, hello. You ain't go when you get up, clap, clap, get up. You ain't go when you get up, you work, clap, get up. You move when you get up.
Hey queens and kings, it's your Queen Luscioussliaa and I'm back with another video. Okay, so today's video will consist of a home tour plus a dorm tour. So I stay in Morrow. I'm Morrow at Ncat. Don't mind the hair, this is naturally after I done washed it. I didn't blow dry or none of that. I just let it say this is my hair. It is natural state. I thought to comb it out, even more fluffy than this, but I would never with my hair out like this. Like, I wish I could with my hair like this, but it's just a lot of work. It's really a lot of work. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share because more videos will be coming. You have hair tutorials, you have public interviews. Stay tuned. Next semester, well, this semester, going up. I will be giving you guys a room tour plus dorm tour. So stay tuned. Go. Usually guys swipe the sesame moving back in the doors I just opened. So right here you have it says customer service. Customer service. That's not no customer service. This is the best. The check with the already whatever, And then over here you have the bathroom for the body. And this is the already lounge. Also the key card, but it's open since today. So you have left, right, put a block of. So you have right, left, and to the right we're gonna go to the mini kitchen. That's the two major, the little stove right here, and you just want to cook a quick meal, I guess on the stove. You can do that. This is the bathroom. We have two bathrooms. It's two bathrooms on the first floor. This also includes floors 2 and 3 with bathrooms on the right and left hand side of the halls. It's also another entrance right here. We're gonna go in this one. No. We're gonna go in this one. This is the one that I shower at because it has a good shower. So you have, what's that, 6 sinks, 5 stoves, 3 showers. And 3 showers in this one. This is the one I used to shower in, but my friend that's recorded, she said this one was the highest one, which is true. That's a good one. Then you have a tub, but I don't know who used that, and I wouldn't want to use that. Okay, so this is my room right here. Ooh, it's the real Luscioussliaa's room. Make sure you turn on the light. So over here to your right, this is where I keep my coats. I have them hooked up on command strips. And
go crazy! Go stupid!
Lit. Yes, I keep locks on the closet. Everybody keeps locks. Well, I don't know about everybody, but I know I keep locks on my closet. I usually have trouble opening because I have so many things right here, as you can see. So many bags and purses, but yeah, that's just me. So in my closet, I have all my clothes. Well, not all of them, but I have like clothes that need to be hung up. But those are in my closet. My shoes, other little necessities, food, snacks. I really don't have snacks because we just came back from winter break. But yeah, all the essentials. Shoe rack. It was a 5-tier, but I couldn't fit the 5th tier. To the right, I have a shoe closet hanger thing, whatever that's called. So we gonna shut the door. Can't really shut it because you already know. Got the hamper right here. Ooh, got my pictures hanging on my light strips. My dresser, wig, ring light over here. Cute little setup. See some of my friends and family over here. On my bulletin board, I usually put my class date assignments up there. This is my desk. Yes, that's wallpaper covered over it. Got my little bin full of hair supplies. I'll show that towards the end. My cute little trash can. Woo! And my bed. It is very comfy. And I have the extra cushion layer over top of the mattress, which makes the bed so comfortable. I love it. This is my room. I really love my room and my setup. I have a throw on the chair, because the chairs be dirty, and it just adds more flavor to the room, makes it pretty. Down here we have my trunk, washcloth towels, my 2 suitcases, my snack bin. I also have right here is like food supplies. I have shoes in the back. My ironing board, as you can see, to the right hand corner. Yes, I use toilet tissue. I do not use the Hall's toilet tissue. I do not like it. It's very thin. Over here you have an alarm clock, which is essential, but I don't use it. A carbon monoxide thing, that's very helpful. Over here you have my TV over on the stand. This is actually my roommate side. Here goes a quick glimpse. We keep our microwave and fridge on her side right here. Back over here is where I keep my hair supplies, because if you know, I'm into hair, so I keep all those essential things right there. Wig caps, blow dryer, all of that in there. Shampoos, mousse, you name it, I got it. This is my room during daylight, and it is so pretty. And this is my room at night. It is such a vibe, and I love it. It's really comfy and makes me go to sleep at night. Such a vibe. And this is Luscioussliaa's room. We're headed to the basement level. This is an emergency exit. We can't leave out this exit or we'll get fined. I don't know why I feel like y'all still are right here, so that really doesn't make sense, but to the right, you have the laundry room, 5 washers, 6 dryers. I recommend you wash during the week because you're pretty crowded on the weekend. Over here you have a kitchen area, have a vending machine, which don't use flex. I feel as though it should use flex, but it doesn't. Have a microwave. Microwave also come in the room too. You have your ice machine. Ooh, oh wow, okay. Well, right here is the lounge room. It's a pretty big lounge room, and yeah, people going in and do various things. So we're about to go to the 2nd floor so we can go see the computer room. room, we have 6 computers. Also have a printer, which basically all dorm tools come. I mean, all dorm halls come with a computer lab and a printer. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I like Morrow personally because it's the biggest dorm. I applied. I want to stay in Barbie because you know everybody that's co-ed. Everybody say that's a good way to make friends, but I'm so glad I didn't choose Barbie because Barbie is a really small dorm. Morrow is the biggest freshman dorm hall on campus. I recommend you stay on the first floor if you choose Morrow because the higher floor dorm rooms are a little bit smaller. If you look at my room, it's a pretty big room and I have a lot of stuff as you can see. I feel as though you should stay in Morrow because it's a good choice. Yes, you will come across roaches because you are living in an old building and there will be some unsanitary people, but that just comes with staying in a community dorm. I hope this video was very informative. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. I'll see you later, queens and kings.
Now bring the beat in. Bust some legs open. That booty so loose. Let me hit it from the back and make you rock. Rock, 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 rock.